This is the only kind of airplane I want to work on. Very unique, historically significant, and extremely interesting. This Zero actually came from the island of Tarawa in the Marshall Chain. The unique thing about this particular one is how many original parts are on it, and most Zeros don't have the tail hook. This was an original tail hook, fully functional. It will be truly unique for a Zero.
Getting close to being ready to fly this Zero. We still got a little ways to go, but compared to where it started when I first saw it, we are relatively close compared to where we've been.